What up, everybody? It's your boy Vlad, just coming with a quick review video. So I'm gonna cover some of these stocks that I was talking about the day before. Starting off with CNHC. That one was the breakout, and today it got annihilated. Oh, when I mean it got annihilated, it got crushed. Let me just show you. There's the intraday chart. It actually gapped up just slightly a little bit. Then from there, it was all she wrote. Like, as you could see, the stock, it just straight red. So the people who was buying in here, which was me, I got crushed. So normally, this is my plan normally, and I didn't execute it today. Normally, if I see it if it's not gapping up, or if it's like a slight gap up, that's when I tend to just sell as soon as the market open. But I try to be patient, try to hold, just thinking like, well, it may just be a slow reaction, then they have a pop up. Did not have that today. See, I seen the dip. Then when I saw it started bouncing back, I was like, okay, here it comes. Then this fall right here just totally just crushed me. I'm just keeping it honest, you know. So it's still not dead, in my opinion, because the day before it did 17 million, and today did 20 million on a red candle. So there was a lot of selling. So you may see a little rebound, you know, a little rebound, but you never know. Be safe, you know, cut your losses quickly. All right, the next one on the list was LCTZ. It actually changed its ticker, and currently right now I don't have a look of the ticker name. Well, it's not updated in this system yet, I should say. So I may just do a separate video for this, but nonetheless, it did gap up, or it didn't gap up. It ran up, and it got all the way to the 27s. And remember when I was telling you guys yesterday, is the only way that you would buy this is if it breaks past the 24.9 and it holds the 24.9 level at the end of the close. So it didn't do that, so this was a failed breakout. I think it ended up around like 15 cents at the end of the day. I didn't buy that. The other plays, let me see, because there was a lot of trades that was done on Friday. CEI, that was a sympathy play due to SKYS. SKYS was the leader. This is the daily chart of it. You can see how big of a massive run it did. And along with that, you had a lot of stocks in the energy sectors was actually following this stock, was piggybacking off of it. So you had IPWR, you also had CEI, you had FCEL. So mostly all of them. And as soon as the market opened, I had my sell order ready to go, because I played CEI, and as soon as the market opened, it was gapping up as well too. So it finished at 52 cents, and it gapped up to open at 60 cents. So that was a good gap up, just based upon the, you know, like I was telling y'all guys, energy. It was an energy sympathy play. The same thing for FCEL, because all of this, I was just buying it when the market closed. This was at 61 cents, and it gapped up to 67 cents. So nice little profit there, and it got all the way up to wow, even after market it got all the way up to 90 cents today. But I sold way too soon because you never know with these things. For this one, bought, around the 17 cents. That's where it closed. And it gapped up to 18 cents. Like I said, as soon as the market opened, I was selling for a profit. Then we have SUNW. That one actually ended up gapping down, so I lost a little bit on that one, but no biggie. YUMA. That one was a good gap up. Finished around 13 cents on Friday. Gapped up close to 14 cents. Sold right away. So those, as you can see, especially when you're doing your scans, you would start to see, stocks that says energy, fuel cell energy, solar. When you start seeing patterns like that, you should automatically in your mind trigger thinking like, wow, okay, there's a lot of sympathy plays that's going on, especially if you look at the ticker and there's no news available. And there's one ticker that's just going up parabolic massively, and you have others in that same sector starts to run. And the key to it as well too is not any stock that's in the sector. You got to make sure you find low float stocks that has, I would say, anywhere under 16 million shares for float would be considered low. Because if you're looking to try to get the stock to go parabolic, you would need lower float. The lower float that it have, when the stock tend to run, it makes a huge difference. So just keep that in mind. And also the play that I nailed today was OPRN. This was done. I actually started buying this pre-market. Scalped in at 140. Then I was buying the 150s and the 160s. And had this big parabolic move. Sold around like 190 for that. For 23,000. So yeah, because once I saw that it was holding support and it started doing this little perking action, because I did play this both with my paper trading account as well as my real account, so did this little perking action. Once I saw that it was a collapsing, head steady, hold steady, and had this massive parabolic run. Then from there, it started fading for the rest of the day. And this is the move that I was waiting for. Once you get this move, I am officially done with you. I did see today a couple of Bitcoin stocks going up. So I did buy that in regards to it. I bought BTCS, BTSC. I also rebought CEI because I saw energy again was moving. And PES, that was a new energy. Then RIOT, that was also for Bitcoin. So we're going to see what this does tomorrow. Currently, those are the tickers that I'm watching for tonight. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. If you have any comments or any questions for me, please leave a comment below. I do check them, and I'll make sure I answer your questions. If I don't know the answer, I'll definitely direct you to the right place where you can get the answer. All right, guys. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your evening. Peace.